I was looking for a budget microphone kit, so I settled on the Neewer NW-7000 USB microphone kit. In this video, we'll be doing a small unboxing, setup and testing, and a comparison with 4 other microphone types. This is the Biafran Samurai Tech. Alright, here's my workstation. We're ready for the unboxing. Let's do this really quickly. It's the pop filter, the foam, the USB cable, the actual microphone. Didn't need everything at once, so let's just take everything out of the plastic, make sure everything is good. There we go, opening up the shock mount. It's a clamp for the boom arm. Trying to figure out where I'm going to put it. Not all tables are created equally, so it doesn't fit right away. At this point, I'm trying it on another part of the table. I decided to put it on a different table that was made of wood. I think I finally figured it out. Or not. Here we go, mounting that to the boom arm. Deciding whatever I'm going to use the foam windscreen. And if I'm going to mount it facing upwards or mount it facing down.
Pop filter.
Of course, there's a USB cable, USB A to B. It's a little shorter than I would like, but it gets the job done. Here I spent some time setting up the microphone, or at least configuring it. Very tedious and boring. Probably would like a better sound card, but this is a laptop and wasn't something I was thinking about in the beginning. But when I build my computer, I'll definitely have a better sound card, if that's the issue.
No filter.
So at this point, I'm pretty comfortable with how everything came out. And now we're going to go into testing this microphone compared to all the other microphones that I've used over all the videos that I've made. This is audio from the Pentax K50 DSLR camera. I am approximately 12 inches away from the microphone. This is audio from the Note 8 via the Skull Candy basic earbuds. I am approximately 12 inches away from the microphone. This is audio from the Note 8 via the DigiPower shotgun microphone. I am approximately 12 inches away from the microphone. This is audio from the Panasonic DMC ZS35 point-and-shoot camera. I am approximately 12 inches away from the microphone. This is audio from the Neewer NW-7000 condenser microphone. I am approximately 8 inches away from the microphone. Now that you've heard the audio comparisons, the main question is, why did I buy this one? Basically, it stems down to me owning a Pentax K50 DSLR, which in itself is a great water-resistant camera, but it was not designed for video in mind, and by extension, the audio sucks. I also had a vlogger kit which came with a slightly better mic than my K50, but only slightly better. And I figured it would be better than recording audio on my phone, which was not horrible, but it wasn't great. Also, I wanted to keep it under $70. That was the budget. And hopefully I can find something decent. And I saw it on Amazon and Micro Center. So with all those reasons, I decided let me give this a try. And so far, I think I like it. All the links will be in the video description, and please hit the subscribe button if you like. And this is the Biafran Samurai Techie. Tech out.